Hello, my lovely ones. We have brought you a trick of words that end with E. Now, what is this trick? This trick is that any word that ends with E, the vowel that comes before it is going to sound like a letter. You know, the way you call it like a letter. Like letter A, the vowel, we have A, E, I, O, U, right? So, if it ends with E, like this one that have A now, you are going to call it A. This one that ends with E, you are going to call it I. If it ends with E, this one is A. Okay? This one, that if it ends with E and O is there, you're going to call it O. Okay? So and so on. Are you getting the point now? So any word that ends with E, you are going to call the vowel. The sound of the vowel you are going to use. Because people they have been confused with, is it A I'm going to use or A whenever they are pronouncing. So for you to know the one that is right, whenever it ends with E, just know that you are going to use A. Okay, use the letter sound where you call it as letter. Therefore, now this one now we have this one is going to be called name because there is E here. You're going to use A, so this is name. Say it, name, name. This one now that end with E, this one is going to be called time. You're going to use I. Okay, so this is time. This one that end with E, you're going to use A to pronounce this. The sound is going to sound like A. So we have place. Okay, so this is place. This one also is O. So you're going to have above. You can hear the O. Above. Above. Now this also is called globe. Say it, globe. Say globe. Now this also is because it ended with E and there's I here. You're going to use I. So it gives us smile. You can hear the I, smile. It's going to call it be free. Say it, smile. Say smile. Okay. Now this one that ended with E and we have I here, we are going to call it the side. Say the side. The side. Okay. You are going to use the I to pronounce. Alright. Now this one that ended with E and there is A here, you are going to call it grace. You can hear the A, grace. Grace. Say it, grace. Now also this is E that E ended with E and we have U here as a vowel before the E sound that comes last. So this is going to be called blue. Say blue. Blue. Let the U, blue, U. Okay. So that is how it's going to be. Now this also, you are going to call this hope. Say it, hope, hope, hope. Now also this one that ended with E, you are going to use I here. Alright. So it's going to be called our life. Say it, our life. It's getting interesting, right? Our life. Now this one that ended with E and we have I here, so it's going to be called advice. What do you say? Advice. You can hear the I clearly, right? If you like something like this, don't forget follow for more, like, comment and share, and you're going to enjoy and begin to read more and fluently. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.